sharing with you today my Mother's Day no-sew cushion cover. As part of my Mother's Day celebration, I'm creating a tablescape that is yellow, white and green. So I selected some fabric from my local fabric store in this beautiful lightweight canvas, yellow and white striped design. All you really need to create a cushion cover is some fabric, some hot glue and some scissors. I do need to confess I am a terrible sewer. I don't have a sewing machine. Sewing is not my thing, so I use hot glue. Now because this fabric has a design only on one side, you turn it inside out, you use the hot glue gun and you literally do a line of hot glue down the seam of your fabric to adhere it together. I use a low temperature hot glue because I am using my fingers to really seal the fabric together. You might want to wear gloves, or if you've got finger protectors, do so because it can get a little bit hot as you're pressing the glue down onto the material. So once you've sealed all your edges, then you want to turn the pillowcase or cushion cover inside out. It's the same process really for all material. Turning it inside out, make sure you get right to those corners so that you've got nice pointed corners, and then you're ready to start filling your cushion cover with whatever filling you have. I've seen some crafters use leftover cushioning from other cushions. I've seen wadding being used. I've seen the special inserts that you can buy in a craft store to put inside cushion covers. I just used an old pillow and cut it up. Now you start to get to the more difficult part of the project where you have to seal the entire cushion together. I create a false seam. You can see me turning the fabric over so that it's got a nice clean edge. I do this on both sides of the pillow of the cushion cover so that then I can seal it with a line of glue right down the center and bring it together. You'll be able to see what I mean in a moment, but I find that gives the cushion cover a nice clean finish and it looks really professional. Just take care with the corners. Make sure you don't forget to fold those corners and tuck them in so that when you seal it together, you've got a nice clean corner. So now you're really starting to see the project take shape. I'm so excited about this cushion cover. It's such a pretty, light, invigorating colour scheme. I just love the yellow and the white together. And what creating cushion covers does for your tablescape is that it extends the theme through to your seating. My mum likes to have a bit of support on her back when she's sitting at the table, and this is a really, really pretty way to not just decorate your table but also your chairs. And here's the finished product. Nice clean edges, really easy to make, hardly any materials needed, just fabric, glue and scissors. I love this cushion cover. It's going to look gorgeous with my tablescape. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.